welcome to Antigua Sailing Week. Today we're going to be following Class 8. Not everybody's got a high performance race boat, but they're having just as much fun. We'll especially be following Dan Bauer with his Sky 51 Skylark.
We're going to in a little while start to drop into dirt from these guys in front.
Today it was the turn of the cruising yachts to enjoy some fantastic sailing along the southeast coast of Antigua. Rugged coastline, reefs aplenty, before turning off at Willoughby Bay, offshore for some electric sailing.
Fourth today, so that leaves us lying third overall in the class, which is, given our experience, is pretty good. We're pretty happy there, and then we're hoping for a bit more wind later in the week, where we've set the boat up for a bit more breeze, so we can hopefully come good towards the end of the week and come charging on at the end.
Big on! There were extraordinary scenes today off Rendezvous Bay, with the hair-raising sight of the giants of Antigua Sailing Week battling it out. Just take a look at this. Richard Matthews, Humphreys 54, Oyster Catcher 28 took their maiden win in the last race of the day, pulling the trigger at over 20 knots downwind.
How could you not be enjoying Antigua? It's a beautiful island. The sun hasn't stopped shining. It's been, hot, warm, sunny. We finished the racing today. Just jumped in, sailed up to the beach. Just jumped in the water. The people are friendly. The food's been great. So far, it's a great experience.